Hi friend, welcome back to Chim sneaker, and today I will bring to you another model of New Balance sneaker. But let's see, this one have a far different box compared to other New Balance sneaker that I used to own, and this in fact the most expensive New Balance that I own up to today. So let's check it out and see why it could be so expensive like this. So I got in my hand a model of New Balance 990, the on-time dash shoes. So let's have a quick look at the model. Okay, and so here is our main sneaker, the New Balance 990. And talk about the history of this sneaker. If you don't know, this model was first introduced back in the 90s. The exact year that I won't remember now, but I will put it in the screen for you about the release version of the version 1 of this sneaker. So this is actually the version 5. If I'm not mistaken, it was released back in 2019. And so this is the newest versions of the New Balance 992. Let's have a quick look at the detail of this sneaker. Comparing to any New Balance sneakers that I used to own, these sneakers have far more complex structures with many details on the sneaker. You can see the upper is formed by many different parts. This toe box will be made by different pieces of fabric and have like little extra color here, and it's made by a lot of different material too. This part is made by plastic, this one is by a different type of leather, and this one is by suede, and this one is by mesh. And yeah, you can see the tongue of this sneaker is also very complicated and have a logo of made in USA, which is made by a special type of plastic too. It is kind of elastic but shiny, and it just looks like a metal piece, but it's actually plastic. And you know what? Talking about made in the USA, when I posted the pictures of this sneaker on a group on Facebook, I got the reply from like an ex-worker of New Balance, and he said that many of the parts of this sneaker is collected from the manufacturing country, and in fact that they import that the USA is importing the material from the manufacturing country and then form this sneaker in the USA. And this one, he said that it has some kind of tiny flaw that you have to be aware of in order to have the like perfect model of sneaker for your collection if you want to have the flawless one. In my sneaker there is also a flaw you can notice here. The kind of like plastic here is kind of not shiny. It has a tiny flaw here on the logo. So actually there was a lot of different type of flaws. So if you want to have a perfect sneaker for your collection, you have to be aware of that. But I'm not that like harsh buyer, so I think this flaw is still tiny, so I could accept it. So have a quick look. The outsole of this sneaker is also formed by different color of plastic, and it has like a choice point from two different types of material. This one is plastic, but it is kind of more elastic, and this one at the back is like a more firmer plastic material. So because the structure was very complex, so that's the reason why I think this model can cause many flaws, but it also costs more money because the process of making this would be difficult. And let's check out at the insole. So this has the ultra soft Outsole insole. I think it's kind of similar to some type of New Balance with the high price, with the brand, just like the New Balance 550, if I'm not mistaken. So this one is an insole that has a firm. It's actually not like the flat insole of the New Balance 547, 574. So you can have a look at it now. So that's it. That's it, basically the review of New Balance 990 version 5. So hope you enjoy my video and hope that I gave you some useful information. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you find this content useful. And see you again in the next video of Chim Sneaker.